I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we...
Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Cr.MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. Alright you guys, so I'm here with another synthetic wig review, and this wig was actually sent to me from a company called ReadyWig. This is their long wavy synthetic lace front wig in 24 inches and in the color copper red. So thank you to ReadyWig for sending me this wig to review. Now, if you would like to see the review of this wig, you already know what to do. Stick around, y'all. Alright, I'm going to start with the unboxing, and the first thing I noticed is this cute little message they included that says, "I love that we met and hope you enjoy the hair." They also had their hair care card included along with a wig cap, a little cute spray bottle, and then the hair.
Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love. Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss you. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss you. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is a minute with you, a minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is a minute with you, a minute with you is all I want. I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss you. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you.
Alright, so now that it's down, I want to see where I could place my part. And as you can see, I tried to put it on the side, but it was like only an inch of space. So I went in the middle where, of course, there's usually the most space. And it's not a whole ton of space. It might have been like 2.5 inches of space. So that's what I had to work with.
With you all up in my face, try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like? Yeah, I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet.
I noticed that the freeze spray left a little residue, so I'm just going to comb all of that away. And now I'm just going to pin it up because I'd like to make the parting space look a little more open. So I'm just going to pull some strands from the parting space just to open it up a little bit. If you do this, the pulling method instead of the tweezing, please be very careful to only pull like 2 to 3 strands at a time so that you do not rip a hole in the lace. Trust and believe, I have done it before.
Wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss you. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two.
Now I'm going to go in with my Fit Me foundation powder to put into the parting space. Now, sometimes, guys, when I'm recording, like the lighting I have, I can't always see. And so I noticed that little piece right at the peak that I probably should have cut off. Well, I did eventually, but you won't see it on this video. So that little peak at the beginning is like so profound, and I just did not see it as profound as I was recording. So I wish I had, and I would have fixed it, on camera, but I ended up fixing it off camera, unfortunately. So you guys didn't see that. And now I'm just adding some baby hairs just to, make this look a little bit more natural, because the hairline is like super dense.
All because of you. You and I were so sweet, talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me.
So now I'm going to go in with some mousse to try to flatten this front area as much as possible, and then follow it up with my Layla Ali hot comb. Okay, I'm going to do a real quick 360 on this wig so that you can see all angles. All right, y'all, so my final thoughts on this wig. The pros, the things that I love. Number one is the color. I'm loving this copper red color, y'all. Like, this is not a normal go-to for me. I kind of like the burgundy red normally, but this color is very pretty, and I think this is quite complimentary. So I'm digging the copper red. I also love the curl pattern of this wig. Now, this wig is probably an average size cap. I would give it an average size. I wouldn't call it small, and I definitely wouldn't call it big. So if you have a pretty large size head, you might want to reconsider, because it's pretty snug and fitting securely to my head. I don't have any of the adjustable straps secured or anything. It is glued down with the Got to Be Glued spray, as you saw in the video. It is also heat friendly, as you saw me placing the hot comb, trying to get it as flat as possible. Now that was kind of a struggle area. It didn't all the way get as flat as I would like it, like this little piece of hump right here that just wouldn't stay down. Yeah, the hot comb just was not doing it. Okay, so again, ReadyWig reached out to me, so I appreciate ReadyWig for sending me this wig. This wig retails for $42.99. And I will provide all of the information down in the description box below so that you are able to purchase it if you're interested. Something else I'd like to mention, it's a very small parting space. I was probably able, like, the track is right here, y'all. So you get about 1 to 2.5 inches of parting space, and that's in this middle area. I called myself trying to do a side part, and it was like, no. The track is right here. No room at all, maybe 1 inch. That's kind of a waste of a part. So I went with the middle part. It was like, I felt like it was my only option. Some other things that I always like to point out is the shedding and the tangling. I always do a shed test as soon as I pull some hair out of a package. I did get a few strands, but I would call it light to medium shedding. Well, it is a little tangly, and it's probably going to get worse as I continue to wear it. So, just have a brush on hand, in other words, for the tangle friendly wigs. Just kind of have to have a brush on hand. Look at this. Ugh. But, however, I always say some tangling is to be expected with synthetic wigs. Some more than others, of course. You just never know. All right, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to thumbs up this video and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure your notifications are turned on so that you do not miss a video. And guys, I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.